Producing hail, and most of these storms, unfortunately, are producing
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Callahan County in west central Texas, northern Brown County in west central Texas, northeastern Pullman County in west central Texas
Again.
until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grosvenor, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour.
and then we've got other
Golf ball
storms
size
going
hail.
along the dry line.
Yeah.
Radar indicated.
Barely. Oh, that's not good.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Brownwood State Park around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Birds and Crosscut around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. May around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations
Yeah, we're right next to us. See what I told you?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Again!
The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a
Our
severe
third doubleheader.
for southeastern Haskell County in west central Texas, northwestern Milford County in west central Texas, southwestern Throckmorton County in west central Texas until 7 p.m. Central
We just got
Daylight
our
Time.
third doubleheader.
At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located
Oh,
near
that's
Lake
not good. Power
Stanford
flick.
Marina, moving east at
Did you see
15
that
miles
the
an hour.
power just flickered?
Hazard, golf ball size
It's not
hail
good.
and 70 miles an hour wind gusts.
That means you could lose power.
Radar indicated. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Haskell, northwestern Shackelford, and southwestern Throckmorton counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
But first, let's take a look at some of the bond propositions across the big country. These would all lead to increases in...
Severe thunderstorm watch number 189 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Callahan,